Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Accounting Ed TV. Today we're going to talk about the top 8 knowledge areas that every accountant needs to know for 2018. Technological and regulatory climates are changing in many industries, and accounting is no different. We know that accounting is not a new profession, but with the continual technological advances, it's important for today's accountants to have extensive knowledge about the standard practices as well as expertise in the new technologies and regulations. In this two-part series of Accounting Ed TV, we'll go over the top 8 knowledge areas that every accountant needs to know in 2018. We'll cover the first 4 in this episode and cover the remaining 4 knowledge areas in the next episode. So let's get started. So the first knowledge area is fraud risk management. Fraud is such an important concept to grasp for accountants, and that's why we have fraud risk management first on our list. Accountants need to be able to identify fraud, money laundering, and red flags, as well as know how to design internal controls to prevent fraud. The next item on the list is internal controls. Internal controls are key to companies reaching their goals and ensuring that organizations can withstand growth. With internal controls, organizations can eliminate redundancies, prevent loss, stay compliant with regulations, and also ensure they're audit ready. It's also important that control or internal processes are in place as companies grow their assets and processes and are handled by more and more individuals. Some processes accountants may need to evaluate or put in place include revenue cycle, procurement cycles, cybersecurity controls, and loss prevention cycles. The next item on the list of knowledge areas is forensic accounting. Forensic accounting is made up of a lot of steps, including performing analysis, conducting investigations, testifying depositions, discovery, and a lot more. Essentially, forensic accountants are investigating and examining fraud, and since the assignments could be criminal or civil, forensic accountants frequently work with authorities from local police to federal agencies. Due to the nature of their work, it's important that forensic accountants conduct investigations in a discreet manner and look beyond the numbers to uncover fraudulent activities. Next item on the list is conducting investigations. Conducting investigations covers quite a lot and is just one part of investigating fraud, as discussed in item 1. Some of the most common types of investigations include employee background investigations, online investigations, and investigating and detecting tax frauds. So it's important that accountants know the reasons why they're conducting these and other type of investigations, and they also need to know the ethical and the legal implications of conducting investigations, as well as know how to plan, execute, report their investigations, and how to verify their findings. Well, thanks everyone for being with us today, and as I mentioned earlier, join us next time as we cover the remaining 4 of the top knowledge areas that each accountant needs to know for 2018. And lastly, if you're looking to get your CPE credits while learning the latest in accounting, including the courses dedicated to the knowledge areas we just discussed today, please visit accountinged.com. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.